If you're looking to create a smart home, but you don't want to replace all your bulbs or lights or other appliances that are connected to Wi-Fi, then this little plug could be the answer for you. This is the P110M, the M standing for Matter, as it's a Matter certified device. And all that means is that it's using a standard that a lot of other people can use. And that's made this the easiest to set up plug I've ever tested. So in the box, you get the plug, you get instruction manual, and you get a QR code. When I scanned the QR code, my phone immediately went to work in adding this plug to my Wi-Fi and to my Google Home account. As soon as that was done, it was ready to use. I didn't have to input any Wi-Fi usernames and passwords. The phone did it all for me. In the Google Home app, you can assign it to an area. You can use one of the pre-selected ones, and then you can create a routine. This can be a standalone routine, or it can be a routine with other devices. That's the beauty of the Matter certification. In this particular case, we could either do it when we say something to Google Assistant, or if I was controlling the light, I'd do it when it is sunrise and then add another one for sunset. If you're not in the Google ecosystem, it does have its own app available, and you'll want to set that up anyway, just to make sure there's no firmware updates. When I added it to its own app, that also linked it to my Alexa system, and that allows me to control this using either Google or my Amazon Alexa devices. I'm not an Apple person, so I don't have Siri, so I haven't tried it with that, but so far it's worked with everything perfectly. I found both apps very easy to use, and these are great if you want to plug in something like a light and have it come on and turn off automatically. But it does have another little trick up the sleeve that I've not seen before, and that's monitoring the energy used by what's plugged into it. So if you plug in your phone charger, for example, it will record how much energy is used while that's charging. And I've done this a couple of times with a few different appliances. I've plugged in my Ninja Speedy, for example, and that uses a lot more power than charging my phone, as I'd expect. And what that means is over a period of time, you can build up a usage of the thing being plugged in to see, do you really want it on for that amount of time? Do you want to swap it out? If it is maybe a light, do you want to try a more energy efficient bulb? Just as an example. So these things are very useful, and they're actually not very expensive either. I will put an affiliate link down below, so check them out there. You can get them singularly, or I think they come in a pack of 2 as well, and it won't cost very much just to dot these around the home, and you'll be able to force control the lots. You can give them individual names, you can set them up in sequences, you can use your phone, you can use your voice, lots of versatility, and thanks to that Matter certification, it means that they will work within that ecosystem of Internet of Things. If you haven't yet seen the Ninja Speedy, go click on this video to check it out.